In this video, we will learn how to check if database exists in MySQL with Python. We can use the SQL query show databases to list all the existing database in MySQL. So first I'm going to create our script file with gedit and name it show.py and need to open a file here, editor. And first I need to import our connector. Import MySQL connector and connect to it by calling its connect function and get the connection. So I will use con as a connection and then MySQL dot connector dot connect function, which will connect us to MySQL and pass in our host localhost and then user, that is root MySQL user, and password for your MySQL database, and that is password Tom123. And now we have our connection, so I'm going to call connections function cursor to get the cursor back so we can execute the query. So need to call, here will be a cursor and con dot cursor. Now I can call execute function and pass in the SQL query that will be for us show databases. This will list all the existing databases in MySQL. And we can loop through the names of our databases using for loop for db in cursor we can do print and then do db and just need to save and run our script. There is a spelling mistake over here, I need to fix that. That's execute, so just save it again. Now on our terminal I need to type Python and then the name of our script, that is show.py, and just hit enter. Over here it listed all the database in our MySQL. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.